Good afternoon, my fellow traders or beginning traders. Welcome back to the Trader channel here on YouTube. Today is Sunday, it's Mother's Day, and happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. I just wanted to hop on here because I had read and also saw some videos they talked about setting up or getting a pre-market setup. I've never done that before, so I'm not really familiar with how it should work. But what I understand is that you look at the market and get a general sense of the market. And then also what I try to just look at some stocks that I think will have some continuation because of where they were on Friday or where they close out on Friday. So what I'm going to do right now is this, because my computer has been acting up. So I'm going to come off screen and I'm just going to pull up the actual take my camera off, and then I put up the actual Weeble. All right, so bear with me. All right, you still can hear me though, but okay, so it's possible that it's more of the combination of the two together that's causing problems. But what I'm going to do is, again, we talked about pre-market, and from what I understand is that one of the things you want to do is look at the general direction of the market. So right now, what I do is, or what I've understand that the best way to do it is that you pull up, let me find my stock, hold on one second. Okay. Here we go. I don't know where to go. Where is my, oh, hold on. You see this is all live, Mike. This is, okay. All right. All right, so what we want to do is we want to look at the Nasdaq and the symbol for Nasdaq. It is here already, so the Nasdaq 100. All right, there we go. All right, so as you see the general direction of the Nasdaq, we look at on a daily basis, it is trending upward. Okay, so let's take a look at Standard & Poor's. Standard & Poor's, same thing, trending upward. Okay, and then we also have the Dow Jones trending upward. So again, these are just giving you an idea of how the market has been for the last few days. And as a matter of fact, these go back as far as March. So we've been in an uptrend. So that kind of gives you a general idea. Okay. Also, one of the things that I'm learning to do is that I'm going to take a look at these particular stocks that, as you see, they closed up or moved up a fair amount as of Friday. And the reason being is it has been shown that stocks like this have a tendency to continue with that growth trend or upward trend. And if that is the case, then I would look to these and see if there's a way to jump on them. So that's just continuation. As you recall, my strategy is what they call momentum. And again, that is stocks that are moving primarily because of volume. And then also there's news. News would be used as the catalyst for it. So that hasn't changed. Let's take a look at something. Also, I wanted to bring to your attention, if you hadn't noticed, I added the RSA and then a MACD. Now, I added these because, from what I understand, these are indicators that help confirm what my belief is based on me looking at the candlesticks and then also looking at volume. These are just other indicators that help, I guess, confirm what I'm looking at. Now, I'm just trying it. I'm not truly familiar with using it. I'm going to learn a little bit more. But I wanted to add it on there to see if it kind of helps. But again, the real primary thing I'm looking at is the catalyst, which is the news, which is the actual candlestick of the stock, and then volume. Those are the things I really look at. But again, I just added that just to want to see if I can get an idea how to use that. So anyway, I'm not going to hold you any longer. I just wanted to get on and give you an idea what my pre-market is. Now, again, there's more things that's involved with it that I'm still learning as I get better at understanding some of the pre-market setups and stuff like that. I'll definitely try them and then, put them out here, and then you give me your opinion and you can kind of see if it works or not. You can implement it if you want or not. And, we're learning here together. So for people that are here new, really want to just kind of touch on the fact that this channel is typically for people who are older, that are looking to add to their retirement, another form of adding to your retirement via trading. And also, I try to talk a little less jargon. I don't do fluff. I'm not going to do no hype. I'm just going to do full transparency. All right. And hopefully you enjoy it. And if you do, you think somebody else out there can enjoy it. And if you have any comments or any ideas, definitely put them in the comments, please. Hit the notification button because, again, I want to obviously grow it a little bit more, and then see if we can bring more people into the fold. I think it could benefit all of us. All right. And again, like I always say, I don't talk about it. Let's just be about it. Take care, guys. See you on Monday.